Welcome to the vlog, guys. We are still in Bali, Indonesia, and we're on our way to Kanto Lampo Waterfalls. Ready, ready, ready? Ah, what are you doing, Karen?
What do you want to do? But you can't get wet.
I can't remember his name anymore, but here's our driver slash tour guide. Now they do have a smaller section to the side where people can go and kind of like take pictures while they wait to see the bigger falls. Here's me trying not to lose my balance. Anyhow, watch me in the big falls splishing and splashing around.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine.
My hair is all wet. I was not necessarily planning on doing that, but you know, once you get in the falls, we all took photos.
It was great.
I would do this again.
Yeah. For next time, we're gonna make sure we have our gym bodies together.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make sure that it's tight and right and lifted. Karen gonna make sure that stomach is flat.
Yeah, it's gonna be flat. It's gonna be flat.
What's she doing?
Oh, I'm gonna have a flat stomach too. I'm coming with my 6-pack.
Okay, she's coming with. Oh, we all are.
You're coming as a couple this time. It's gonna be a couple trip, not a girls trip. Okay.
You hear that? You hear that?
No AC though in the car.
Oh yeah, please. Oh no. Right, no AC because we're all dripping wet. Yes, we have towels. I'm about to pull it out of my bag in a few. Look at the customized beach bag that Karen gave us. Oh my god. Wet out my edges. All these steps. Whew. Really getting the workout today. Oh my god. Almost at the top. Oh. Hold on.
You okay?
Yes. Oh. Oh, no, thank you. No, thank you. Oh my God, why am I gasping for my life? Thankfully, the driver came to save me. He's so sweet. Look at him holding my bag.
Low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah.
Alright guys, if you saw the previous vlog, you would know that it's Karen's birthday. It's her 40th, and now we're back at the villa, and look at the surprise. Beautiful. Ooh.
That's great. Thank you. This is perfect.
Clearly, they did such an awesome job with the flowers and the decorations. Oh my God, it was beautiful. Anyways, 3 hours later, we're all dressed and ready for dinner. And you'll see, Karen hired this private chef, and he cooked us a lovely 3-course meal, candlelit, just beautiful. Dinner.
It's like prawn salad, prawn salad.
Yes.
So for my first course, I chose tom yum soup. It was pretty good. It has shrimp, mushrooms, etc. And by the way, we are by the pool, so that adds to the atmosphere, along with the little forest in the background. Anyways, onto the entree. I had chicken satay. That was good, except for the eggs. But you know, we're in Bali, so we ride.
I just got one water. Sammy Young. Chardonnay. Just one? Yeah. It's 219,000.
Side note, look at this beautiful sea of purple. It's Karen's favorite color, which is why we're all wearing it. And it's also mine as well, so I was happy to oblige. And it was just a beautiful evening, and balloons, just pretty. And for my dessert, I chose fried banana. It was really good, especially with the ice cream too on the side. I really enjoyed that.
These are crepes.
Crepes, yeah.
Hey.
Oh my God, I love me some Rihanna. Listen, we're about to start having our own little private party over this dessert.
I need tongue, I need face, I need concentrate. Hey, Karen. Hey, hey, my career's taking off. These hoes jogging in place. We gon' meet Cardi B, but they popping on the charts. It ain't safe, it ain't safe, it ain't safe, it ain't safe. Come in and get some money, hey. And then I get some money, hey. And then I get some money. And then I get some money. We don't need his part. We just like Cardi's part. That's it. Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Woo!
I gotta put it down. It's so pretty.
Are you?
Are you rich? Yes. Is it a fake?
You're not blowing hard enough. Come on now, you know how to blow. Oh my God. That
Go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay.